I'm looking to score me a legal goals. In fact, I want me a hat-trick. I want to consume some souls in both.
If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, did quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so first to the face, I hear the voice, and you don't know say a cogency. Put the cogency rocks channel. And today we have NR Lucii plugged in with Fumez up on Pressplay. Now, bro, you know me, bro. I don't always do the reactions first day because I'm outside, man. Even though I like to say that I'm inside, a lot of the times I'm outside. I lied, guys. Sometimes I go outside. But don't worry, I wasn't outside doing any drillings or with any sweet. Well, yeah, I wasn't a sweet one. I was with my sweet one. You know what I'm saying? I spent the whole day with Mrs. Cogency, you know what I'm saying? With Mrs. Triggs. So that's why I'm kind of late. Right now is 8:45 p.m. This is uploaded 5 hours ago. But the party don't start till I get there. You know what I'm saying? Road to 2K, we're at 1.9 now. So if you see this, bro, please just hit subscribe. You never know. You could be the person that helps me get to 2K subscribers. So please help me out. Hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and jump in those comments, bro. I reply to all the comments. All my trigonometry niggas in the comments. Let me know what you think about this. Keep commenting trigonometry because some people don't even know what's going on, blood. They're like, yo, why is he even dressed like that? You know what I'm saying? In the other videos where I was dressing mad. I still have OG Bobby Brown under something. But yeah. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I don't want some more time. Let's jump into this shit, man. Oh, shit. Before I start, let me do this. One last thing. Suck my dick, nigga. I'm starting the video now. Fuck out of here. Twitch. Yeah, I watch a lot of memes on Lucii twitching and now I can't unsee it, dog. Like every minute he just like, what's going on, bro?
Plugged in.
Watch your man. Fumez, why we playing cards in the studio, bro? What go on?
Lucky loose.
Lucky Loose.
Shout out Fumez, the engineer.
Lucky Loose. Think of Lucii name. What go on?
Aye.
Listen.
What you know about teaching a young G? I had to pop bang with a loaded 9. Tell him to go Primark and get him a trackie. Pay with cash, then glide. If you don't get cool on that camera, burn that trackie with a firelight. Then go get you a new one. Go do the same every Friday night. I just rock.
Bro, today is Sunday, bro. You know what I'm saying? First of all, I shouldn't even be reacting to Lucii on a Sunday, but doing that every Friday night, burning trackies and going on ride-outs every Friday, nah, bro. I want to go to the club or I want to watch some Netflix, fam. Well, go on, bro.
With a firelight, then go get you a new one. Go do the same every Friday night. I just rock and roll with mine. None of my bridges died, but 2 of the ops been this year, so we're celebrating right. 3 of the man, them hotel living, they'll soon be out online on site. For anyone screaming, fuck that American shit, go ride. I've been
what? Whoa, what? Nigga said hotel living. Is he saying that HMP is like hotel? No, bro, don't say that.
Soon be out online on
what?
This year, so we're celebrating right. 3 of the man, them hotel living, they'll soon be out online on site. For anyone screaming, fuck that American shit, go ride.
Bro, I know there's no way in the hell this guy is comparing Felts to hot. Well, let me not say that, because the man them I live good in the jail them sometimes still. Some man fresh, Dior to the ground. And them not hungry, you know, them man they get special dinner in a jail, you know. But still not a hotel, Lucii. Don't say that, bro.
Hotel living, they'll soon be out online on site. For anyone screaming, fuck that American shit, go ride. I've been doing up wrist on a weekly ever since I dropped Soul Is Mine. Why you think that we're still outside? Shaitan on my left and God on my right, and I ain't been alright for time. So
nigga said Shaitan. Bro, fam, should I even pull that up? I'm not even sure if I want to hear that name again, bro.
We're still outside. Shaitan on my left and God on my right, and I ain't been alright for time. So
bro, alhamdulillah, man. Shaitan is nowhere near here, bro. Nowhere near here. Sure.
Now we're still outside. Shaitan on my left and God on my right, and I ain't been alright for time. So you do the maths. If you slip and I get that DNA on my blade, you're next in line. I want your spirit, I want that soul. Feeds the street when I step on blocks. I'm looking to score me illegal goals. In fact, I want me a hat trick. I want to consume some souls in both. Juju
Man, why, dog? Why, bro? Why?
illegal goals. In fact, I want me a hat trick. I want to consume some souls in both. Juju beads on the ends, but I'm protected anywhere I go. Listen, you ain't no bad man, you're just a makeup artist. And I don't mean makeup girls use, I mean you're just a fake gay bastard. It don't matter what my man says anymore, clearly it's
Did he just say a fake gay bastard?
makeup girls use, I mean you're just a fake gay bastard. It don't matter what my man says anymore, clearly it's all garbage. Fuck a car drive with no drive-by, we just 10-toe pop bang on your marches. Last time I did a plugged in, I had the wash gang in a towel. This time it's NR, no remorse, you best take that in, cause it's vital. I done way too much.
Wait, say that again.
Drive-by, we just 10-toe pop bang on your marches. Last time I did a plugged in, I had the wash gang in a towel. This time it's
I had the wash gang in a towel. Bro, fam, if you never know, he was with Block 6, he ain't with Block 6 no more. He's saying Block 6 is washed. And Ghostface 600 had a motherboard bar today. Let me know if you want me to check that out.
pop bang on your marches. Last time I did a plugged in, I had the wash gang in a towel. This time it's NR, no remorse, you best take that in, cause it's vital. I done way too much for too many man that snake me or drove me psycho. But it is what it is, don't matter now, cause we run this thing and that's level. If I back this shank, got shit on the end, so it's due to turn a man rotten. I got more than a cheeky dots on the ends this.
Bro, you already said that in the last plugged in, bro. So like, if Lucii is shanking you, bro, Lucii is shanking you with shit, fam. Shit shank, man. Shit shank, bro. Shanking shit, man. Shitting shank, man. Bro, I'm speechless, dog. Like, I knew I was going to get some fuckery. Like, in terms of, like, some evil shit. But, like, Jano.
I back this shank, got shit on the ends, so it's due to turn a man rotten. I got more than a cheeky dots on the ends, this scopes will make man forgotten. From when I went deep in the woods on my ones and prayed, I stepped out different. What you know about voodoo living? Praise the shaitan and keep on sinning.
Bro, dog, I shouldn't be, dog. Fam, alright. You see why I don't like censoring? Because shit like this is uncensored. And then when Lucii or suspect I talk about whatever, that shit censored, bro. This should be censored, bro. What the fuck is this, man?
This scopes will make man forgotten. From when I went deep in the woods on my ones and prayed, I stepped out different. What you know about voodoo living? Praise the shaitan and keep on sinning.
Alhamdulillah. No shaitan. Big up Zero OTB, bro. I guess you knew what you were doing with the reverse verse vocal sample, but and I guess they knew what they were doing, uploading this for Halloween, but Jesus Christ, bro. Not gonna lie, I probably could have sit this one out. Not like it's a bad freestyle, but it's just like, my God, fam, like all of this shaitan talk, like we don't praise God anymore. Alright, bro, whatever, fam. But yo, Cogency on the Cogency Tracks channel. Let me know what you think of this, bro. I'm not gonna rate this, bro. You guys gonna have to rate this in the comments, fam. I'm not rating this. You let me know what you think about it in the comments. Why is there still 20 seconds left? Films. Lego the light skin face. Yo. Road to 2K, we're there at 1.9 now. So hit that subscribe button. You could help me reach 2K subscribers by tonight. You know what I'm saying? But you don't know. Like, comment, subscribe. Cogency and the Cogency Tracks channel. How about this motherfucker, man? Peace. Yeah, can't wait the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. I love you, yeah, need, yeah, girl.